Hello, everyone. So, I was working with someone today, and we were trying to basically figure out a way to easily onboard or, in a way, make it super easy for new Jira users to find what they're looking for. And this particular topic is not massively or directly related to onboarding, but in a way, it is, in my opinion, one small feature or a very small improvement that I believe we should all be aware of. Now, first of all, if you log into Jira and if you have used Jira in the past, where the moment you log in, you're presented with the dashboard, and that actually makes sense. But at the same time, on Jira Cloud, you have like couple of options. So what you can do is you can of course go to your profile, and if I go to my personal settings, I can actually select here my Jira homepage, which could be the dashboard or your work. I personally prefer dashboard, but in case you're using your work, basically this particular page, you will see here different options. Basically, you will see the recently worked on projects, and at the same time, you will see this list of recently worked on issues and something that you viewed, and of course, issues assigned to you. But there is also something which is basically starred. Now, this is interesting because what you can tell your users that you have the option to basically make your favorite items listed here. For example, you may have like some filters or dashboards, and whenever you make it a favorite thing, it will appear here or basically starred. Now, that is fine, but there is also one more thing, and not many people, and to be honest, when I work with people, when I look at them sharing their screen, they are not aware of a lot of these small things. Now, the thing that I want to talk about today is basically the ability here to drag and drop, or not really drag and drop, but to reorder this list by simply moving it. So basically, if you have something that you want to refer to, let us say flagged issues, you can move it on top, or you can basically tell your users that, okay, if you are working on some service desk, make sure that particular favorite thingy is something on top. So this is actually great, and this is in a way slightly better than dashboard, because dashboard is not really configurable, but this particular page, this particular your work, I believe it is a bit more personalized. Of course, on dashboard you can have some gadgets, and gadgets can be personalized, but at the same time, you can actually do few things which I quite like. I wish if this page can be, I mean, we can change if we had an option to change the layout. But anyways, I think uh, usually people are looking for some links, and if you make it easy for them to find those links, and especially in this case favorite filters, and it happens with me all the time, where people when they learn how to create a filter, they have no idea how to search it, how to find it back. And I tell them that you can always go to your filters on top, and you can find those filters, and this is great. But I think when it comes to filter, I think the name is a bit confusing. Filter is something that you filter, but filter is basically a saved search. But anyways, because if you start using Jira, and if you start searching for information, you will have like a long list of your favorite filters and dashboards and projects, for example, and you may want a way for those favorite items to be not only available for you, but at the same time you can actually reorder. And that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope I hope you found this video useful. And by the way, tell me about the new setup. I mean, not a new setup, but I'm just sitting in another room, and I'm just using a different mic. So hopefully the quality is not too bad. All right, that is it. Bye bye.